Paneer Posto. But before I do posto, the ingredients I'll give in paneer. Just watch that. I gave salt, and then I gave coriander leaves, finely chopped, or you can make a paste. And then I am going 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in it. Okay, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And I am using hand. If you don't mind, I washed my hand and I am using hand. So I gave salt and coriander leaves, chopped, finely chopped, or you can do grated, and Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, and then I am giving haldi, half teaspoon, not too much, half teaspoon. Okay, half teaspoon of haldi powder. Okay, now I am giving, watch it, I am giving 1 tablespoon of maida in it. Why I am giving maida 1 tablespoon? When I will fry, you will understand. So these are the 3-4 ingredients I have gave: salt, haldi, Kashmiri chili powder, maida, and coriander leaves. So these are the things I gave. Now I'll keep it for half an hour or 15 minutes. If you keep, no problem, but minimum 15 minutes you have to keep. And keep it like this. Today, I told you beforehand, today I am doing Paneer Posto. So I don't know what to say in Posto, but I usually say Posto. So all the viewers who are outside, please follow this. This is very interesting and I hope you will like it. But you must comment. I like the comment somebody gave me for the chicken balls. I liked it. I want comments for the each and every menu, good or bad, anything, but I want it. So anything wrong, I will correct it, and if it's good, fine. So it is usually done with mustard oil. This posto is usually done with mustard oil. So first I will fry the paneer. Always is done with mustard oil. You need some oil, but first I am giving. So use this mustard oil, the red color oil. So fry it. I think if you use this type of, it's easier for you all. So I changed this. You might just find that type of. If you fry it, if you give maida, it will be separated. From each other, so it will not. And it will look nice. It will look nice. So looking nice is also important. The taste is important, and how you present it, that is also important. So both are important. So do you agree with it? I hope you agree with it. So only fry it till some of the juice. So this type of things, if you comes, and lower the flame. So lower the flame. If you want to fry little light, no problem, you can do it. But when you lower the flame, or it will be darker, so it will not. This time I'm not frying so dark, I'm so light. I always don't fry paneer, but this menu, if you serve when the guest comes, I think in India, in Kolkata, Posto is well known, but in foreign I don't know whether you will get Posto and all that. If you get Posto or til, both til also you can use for this. This time I never did so dark. So you need more oil for it. So I don't want to give so much oil. Already you need the oil. For Posto you need mustard oil. That's for sure. Til also you need mustard oil. It is better if you do. Hey, if you don't, no problem also. But it is better if you give mustard oil. It will taste good. Or Posto or til also. You can give til for this also. Many person has Posto allergy. So til will be, or if you don't get Posto, you can ask for til. Again oil. Fried is finished. So this type of fried, don't make it so dark. I think it will be light, will be better. So little oil more, mustard oil. Little more. It is not. It is in India. I would have said, if it from India, anybody comes, I would have said mustard oil is a must. But if it is outside, some mustard oil always is not available. So I say you do it with any oil you think is available. You do it. No problem. Do it. But these type of things, if it is there, please take it out. Don't keep it. Okay. As much as you can, take it out. See, I'm not giving any foron anything, any other ingredients, no. Here when I did Posto, sorry, I gave 2 green chili and little salt. The blend, it will not blend properly if you don't give, and I kept it with 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours, no problem, in hot water. In hot water. Okay, now I'm just lower the flame or it will create problem. So take drinking water and pour the rest and increase the flame. I gave 2 green chili and salt while blending. Okay, and I kept it for 2 hours, 3 hours or more. More if you keep, no problem. In hot water. It's better if in the early morning you get up and keep it in hot water, no problem. Good. Let it boil. I'm doing from Jhatpat Banjan, and if you like it, you see the other, and please subscribe if you like it and share it also, please. It's a request from my part, and if you like it, of course, and comment, of course, you must comment. See, if you do with you don't get mustard oil, then put little haldi. Yes, haldi. But I'm doing with mustard oil, so no need. You can give haldi, but I'm not giving. Not compulsory. But if you do with not mustard oil, then it is compulsory. You give little haldi. Look nice. See, it is separate. When you serve, it will not be. It will look nice. And when I told you, when I marinated with salt, little haldi, little Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and coriander leaves. No need of giving any. I put little oil in it. It will be dressy. Let's finish. See, it's looking really dressy. Close the flame and keep it for 5 minutes. Or 2-3 minutes, of course. And keep it lit. Okay? 3 minutes. I've taken out the karai and I'm serving it. So I just for dressing I put green chili. It's not necessary. If you put, it is for just for dressing. And if you don't get mustard oil, then don't give. Lastly, the oil I gave, don't give. It will not look nice. Also, it will not taste nice. So only for mustard oil. If you use mustard oil, give the oil lastly. And after 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes, stop it, because the paneer will take the other ingredients too much. So it is after 2-3 minutes, okay, no more needed. And if you subscribe, then I think you will see the other videos, which are lots of videos I have done it. So I hope you will like it, but I want you to comment. For every videos you comment. Okay? Thank you very much.